Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Shakti,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of your name? Durga.
Yes, sir. In Hindu mythology, it
This
basically...
is Nari Sashakti incarnated. Okay. We know quite a lot of things about you. Let us talk about what Shakti Dubey is. What are her personality traits, positives and negatives, if any?
Sir, if I talk about my positive traits, I am a dedicated, hardworking, and a compassionate person. I basically am interested in reading books as well as writing quotations or poems, etc. These are one of my
Okay,
hobbies.
that is written there.
Yes, sir.
What
Apart
is-
from that, if I look at the downsides of mine, that what are the negative traits, I think at times I tend to overthink on certain issues that basically creates more problem.
You don't have to freeze your hands. You can easily move it as a normal conversation progresses. Yes.
Apart from that, I also think that at time I tend to over-explain myself in certain issues. Over-explain myself for certain issues.
Yes, that is what you should avoid. Anyway, now, what is this Mama Bhanja Talab? Why is it named so?
So this is an area that is basically been said that earlier it was a pond area, a talab was there in that area, but now it is no more. Now it has basically been occupied and buildings have been.
But what does it have to do with Mama and Bhanja?
Sir, I don't have any. There is no history behind that. This place as such is named as.
No problem, absolutely. Now, Naini has Naini is the industrial outskirts of Prayag.
Yes, sir.
What type of big industries are there?
Sir, in Naini, basically, I'm aware about the cottage industries that are there, like that of the Moonj product. Moonj grass is very famous in the Naini area. That has been used to create baskets or bags, etc., which is also under the One District One Product scheme from.
And big industries?
Sorry, sir.
Trivedi Structurals.
Sir, Triveni Sangam, you are talking?
Trivedi Structurals Limited.
Sorry, sir. I need to read.
That's very big. Anyway, what is ODOP of Prayag?
So ODOP from Prayagraj is the Moonj products only. Those are basic.
Okay. Now I understand your father is in police.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you think there is really need to outright reform in police?
Yes, in my opinion, there is a need to reform the policing system that exists as of now.
Overworking police personnel,
Yes, sir.
which results in stress.
Yes, sir.
Then acute subordination.
Yes, sir.
And exploitation by seniors.
Yes, sir.
And then probably lack of infrastructure, lack of equipments.
Yes, sir.
Police.
Yes, sir.
Because you remember, few years back, if you all gentlemen remember, there was a police party raiding some criminals in a sugarcane field. And since their pistols, their guns were not working, so they started this anyway. Now, both of your parents are from Balia.
Yes, sir.
What is historical importance of Balia?
So if we talk about Balia, which basically is easternmost district of the Uttar Pradesh, in the modern India, during 1942 Quit India movement, Balia became one of the first district in India to overthrow the British government and declare independence.
And in ancient India?
What's that?
In ancient India, mythological importance, does it have?
Sorry, sir, I'm not
called
aware about the mythological.
Place of Parashuram's mother, Renuka's, Jamdagni's place.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
And okay, you have biochemistry and chemistry. Very good combination, but my colleagues will ask about that. And then, yes. Okay. Group leader for good out of waste camp.
Yes, sir.
So what type of waste you are using and how? Will
Basically,
be very short.
he said this campaign that was held in a school, it was basically for the academic waste that was generated at the end of the year. That included like used pens were being generated or the copies, registers, etc. So the pens were used to create things like pen stands were created, wall hangings, etc.
You write poems in Hindi or English?
Say in English.
English.
Yes, sir.
Which poet are you? Is there any role model poet? Is there any poet, present or past, who has inspired you?
So I like some of the poems. As such, I don't have any favorite poet, but I like some of the poems, like of Rabindranath Tagore, the poem where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
And you play badminton. You have been playing badminton regularly.
No, sir, it is just as an hobby. Recently, I've developed interest in this sport, so I'm trying to explore the game.
Who has got the Khel Ratna award in badminton this last year?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of.
Chirag Satwik and Sai.
Satvik Siraj, I was aware about it was the fastest badminton hit that he made, for which.
What is the size of a badminton coach, Shakti?
So exact size I'm not aware, dimensions I'm not aware about that.